toddlers TV.
A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hat. I for insect. J for jet. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nose. O for orange. P for peacock. Q for quail. R for rabbit. S for scooter. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra.
Toddlers TV.